Hello, what's up guys? For today's video, mag-change oil tayo nitong ating Euro Samurai 155. Ito yung pang port change oil natin mula nung maka-wired natin itong ating Euro Samurai. At the same time, mag-change gear oil din tayo. Sabay na natin, pinagsabay natin yung change oil ng engine oil tsaka gear oil. Okay, so ngayon i-unbox na natin itong in-order kong pang change oil at gear oil mula sa Shell. So ito yung gagamitin natin pamalit sa ating engine oil at gear oil. Ito ay mayroong viscosity na 1040. Mula nung ma-acquired natin itong Euro Samurai natin, ito na lagi yung ginagamit nating pang change oil at gear oil. So dahil pakiramdam ko goods ang makina ko pag itong ginamit kong pang change oil.